dapat mamamatay na ako sa Philippines. I was sure I would be dead in 3 to 4 days. Kasi ang bagal ng healthcare natin. Grabe. Yung biopsy result, I have to wait 1 to 2 weeks. Dito, biopsy nila, half day, nandyan na.
Ito mga butas to ng mga biopsy. Biopsy 1, biopsy 2.
I need a PET scan. Ilan bang lugar sa atin may PET scan? Dito, in 1 hour, basado na. So when I was here, I was surprised that many politicians come here. Sabi, if the politicians are coming here, hindi ba kayo naawa sa kababayan natin? Mayaman ka o mahirap, trap ka in the Philippines. They have 3 advantage sa healthcare na wala tayo. They have speed. Ang bilis. Pagdating ko dito, sabi nila, in 48 hours, we will give you your treatment. Pero mo 48 hours, na PET scan, CT scan, 2D echo, biopsy, meron pa akong genetic testing abroad. On the 48-hour chemo agad ako. May gamot. Sa Pilipinas, I have to wait 1 to 2 weeks. Ay na ang Pilipinas. Kahit Doc Willie, ay ka pa rin. Paano kung Juan de la Cruz ka?